My neighbor called me, said that they had one sheep killed. After the examination, I believe it is a mountain lion attack. Somehow. Okay, so we're back in making a determination whether this goat was killed by wolf, bear, mountain lion, or coyotes. Right here. So something grabbed here and here, and it's immediately after the jaw. And I believe that's a mountain lion. That's the way they kill. So here are the holes that cuts the jugular. Was bitten around the neck, around the air pipe. And here is the claws of the animal. He tripped it. Went from here. Focus right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Here's my finger.